My name is Afamefuna, Prince of Amanata Kingdom, the heir to the throne and the great-grandson of King Obiago of Amanata Kingdom. In my quest for Western education, I have learned myriads of Western cultures, values and norms. The exposure that I have gotten from all of that has made me who I am. Amanata, my great homeland, may have given up on me, but my name, Afam Efuna, will never be buried. For the prophecy upon my head and upon my name must come to fulfillment. Wherever I go, east, west, north, south, and even to the ends of the world, my name will never be forgotten. I am the pride of the black people, the black strength, the name that strengthens the weak. I am Afam Efuna, a proud African, the prince, the heir to the beautiful land of Amanata Kingdom. I am the soldier that carries the lion's heart, the culture and tradition of our people as a black race and its heritage will never be forgotten. I am coming home. I am coming back to motherland, sweetest of all continents, Africa my home, Africa the motherland, Africa the pride of the blacks. I am coming home.
You may leave the Lord, my king. My king, what we are trying to say is that the prince has to come back home. He should come and get well acquainted with our custom and tradition. The custom demands that he succeeds his father. Yes.
Yes, my king. We are worried. Let him come back. And not only that he will come back, we also want him to get married in this country and not outside.
My king, they say make haste when the sun shines, and that is teach in time saves nine. We better start making arrangement and preparation for his coming before it's too late. Yes. The earlier we do that, the better for all of us.
Yes. Let us do something about it very fast. Before we hear he has a white woman in Australia, I will lose him.
Oh no.
My king.
DJ,
My king.
I want to thank both of you very, very much. You have spoken well. It shows that you have the interest of the royal household, and indeed the entire Amanato kingdom at heart. Don't worry, we will ensure that he comes back, okay? And we are going to make adequate preparation for him to return. I can also assure you that we are going to look for him a very fine wife.
Very important.
Yes. Most importantly, my king.
Yes.
Elders of Amanato Kingdom,
My queen.
I greet you.
My queen, we greet you too.
You've heard my husband. Well, with all due respect, we'll make sure that my son, Afamefuna, returns to this kingdom as we promised. And about marrying from this community, that I cannot assure you people, but I believe he will make a good choice. My king, am I right?
Of course you are. I mean, he's a grown-up man and he should be able to make his own decisions.
Well, it's okay, my king.
Thank you, Father, my king.
Yes.
My king, you and I know that our son, Afamefuna, would not like the idea of us choosing a woman for him. He's well educated, well later, trained by the white.
You think so? One step at a time.
There's another bargain issue.
And what is it?
This will be the 4th time he turned down our invitation to come back if he fails to return.
Woman, you worry too much. Leave that to me.
Okay. If you say so.
Don't tell me you are going to that family joint early this morning.
You don't mean usual joint every morning.
Prince, Ahamefuna will turn down the invitation again. Bet me.
No! I don't think so.
Why do you say so?
Ibe, you need to have a clear vision to see things.
Clear vision?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Our king looks sticky.
And so?
Prince Ahamefuna needs to come back home before our king dies. See, no time for excuses. So, whether he likes, maybe studying London Bridge is falling down or Cambridge building is going up, it's not my business. All I know is that let him drop whatever he's doing there and come back here. That's all I have to say.
You are right.
Yeah.
Hey! You are right. He really needs to come back. Where did you say you are going again?
That place now, that normal joint.
Let me quickly get something for Mama. I will join you there soon.
You better come fast.
Immediately.
I'll finish everything.
Hey, keep my own.
Okay.
Izu.
Hey, Ibe.
Izu, my man.
Ibe, let her twist now.
Son, you need to return home and you have to do it fast. No. No. No! Pause whatever you are doing and get set to come down to your fatherland. Your father's health is gradually deteriorating and he needs you back. He needs you to come back home and get set. Get your mind prepared for the task ahead. Hey, don't tell me to hold on here. Hey, listen. Stop sending medicine. Yes. I know that you people have the best medication in the whole world, but I cannot risk your father's health to fly to London with his health condition. The whole family, the whole royal family is serious about this. So you need to return home and channel your mind for the task ahead. Now listen for your info, gentleman. Your father is not getting any better. He's only pretending to be getting better. He became my... Can you allow me to talk? He became my husband before becoming your father. I share a bed with him every night. He is not getting any better. You need to return back home and channel your minds for the task ahead. I'll be waiting for you in anticipation. I love you too. Bye.
This is Africa, my heritage, my mother's land. Our culture and tradition, they are unique. Our culture and tradition.
For the fact that your health seems to be getting better, that does not mean you should stop taking your medications.
Oh no. Stop worrying yourself about my health challenges. Okay? I know exactly what I am doing.
My king, Dr. Alfred complained that you sanctioned him from taking care of you. And I'm getting worried about that.
Oh yes, I did. I did because of the kind of reports he was sending to my son.
How?
Yes, he is taking care of my treatment very well, perfectly. But the reports he's sending to my son is making him not to come home. Today we send a report, yes, the king is doing well. The king is taking his medications. He's getting better. Oh, the medicines you sent the other time, the king is taking them and is improving. So with those positive feedback my son is getting, he is not prepared to come back. So the reports are fighting us back, you know. So but with this, let's see what happens.
My king, you're a wise king.
Of course I am.
I cannot understand where you're coming from. It's a good one.
Oh no.
It's a good one.
I am taking my medication. It's all part of the plan. So
My king!
Let us see whether he will not come back this time.
Now I can understand you. Hi! That is a very good one. It's a very good move. I like that. To come back home.
It's alright, so...
Hey, Mama. I heard that the prince of Amanato, our kingdom, will soon be back. Hey! Story for the gods. Chica, do you mean it or you're just lying? I am serious, and that's not even the exciting gist. My dear, the exciting gist is that when he comes back, he will choose a wife from our kingdom.
Like seriously, that means I'll start getting ready to get those fancy clothes, those beautiful hairs, and my fine heels.
Look at you. I am already inside the heart of a prince.
Please, are you girls not tired of this? Our prince is coming. My prince is coming. For God's sake, is he Jesus Christ?
Oh, please.
This is the 4th time now.
Oh, ye little faith. You see why I hate associating with people like you? No faith, no hope. Look, as for me, Chica, I have faith that the prince will be back. And when he comes back, I will sexily, majestically walk into the palace and seduce the prince. You know, I, Chica, My prince. I'm at your service.
See, Chika, let me tell you, be dreamy, because I can't see you have my charming prince. Okay?
Well, both of you are in the same boat.
You know what? Oh, what's on some while? Hasokwa. Hey! Let's see.
You are asking me why I sanctioned Dr. Alfred. Look, son. Ain't you tired of these your gimmicks? Look, the only medication I need right now is you. Yes, I have stopped every other medication until you come home. Yes, I want to die. I want to die. What is it? Yeah, there is a saying that there is no place like home. Come home. No matter how you embrace the Oyibo man's culture, you must not forget your roots. Yes, you must come home, fraternize with your people. You must understand the customs and traditions of your people. Yes, you must come, fraternize with your people, know your kingdom, because I mean you are the heir to the throne. Yes, I am toying with my health, and I don't care how you think about it. Unless you come, anything can happen. Be prepared to come and bury me. Yes, be prepared. Look, son, I'm tired of all this. Okay? I'm tired. No. I am not bringing back Dr. Alfred to this palace. I will not. Yes, I will not. Call it blackmail. Call it anything. If you know how we miss you, your mother, your sister, and myself, if you know how we miss you, you will understand what I'm saying. You understand where I'm coming from. Look, you must listen to me. You are the heir to this throne. No, son. Yes, you just have to come. You mean it? That is my son. Hey, now you are talking. But wait. I hope you are not trying to... what is this slang that the young ones use these days? I hope you are not trying to whine me. Yes. Now I'm happy. You're coming, right? Good. So now I can sleep well. Yes. It's all right. I'm waiting for you. Bye. Now I can sleep like a baby. My son is coming home.
Mom. Yeah, I'm fine. Mom, I'm doing good. Are you? Sorry? Hell no. No, Mom. Tell me you're joking. Are you serious? No, when exactly? Next week. Oh, Mom, you know what? I am taking the next available flights. Yes! Back to the kingdom. No, Mom. Don't stop me. I am done with what I came to Abuja to do. Yes! I am free to come back home, Mom. Mom, come. I can't contain my excitement. Like, do you know how long we've been begging Afam to come back to Nigeria? And he's been posting us. Now he's coming back. You say I should hush? No, Mom, please. Mom, I'm coming back. Okay? Alright. Mom, don't worry yourself. Don't worry, Mom. Don't worry, Mom. Don't worry. It's fine. It's fine. No problem. I am. Okay, I am calm. Mother, you know I have open tickets to every country I want to go to. So why not? I am taking next available flight back to the kingdom, like I said before. You're not stopping me. Father is not stopping me. My brother is coming back, so I need to come back. Alright, Mother. Alright, Mom. Thank you. It's fine, Mom. It's fine. It's fine, Mom. Thank you. I love you. I love you. But yeah, I'll be good. Yes, Dad.
Yes, I know all that. I'm just leaving your chambers now and I went to see if everything is intact.
It's alright.
Yes. Oh, thanks to the gods. They have finally answered your prayers. I know. It's all right. Just make sure you take care of yourself. I'll be waiting for your return. Okay then. Bye-bye.
Africa, beautiful place. Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah. This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage. My mother's land. Our culture and tradition, they are unique.
Yay! Wow! Finally, Afam is coming back to Nigeria. And he's keeping it away from me. I will also pretend like no one told me. Yes. Oh my God. Afam, you crazy, I will hit you. Wow. Okay.
Chidozie. Papa. Chidozie. Papa.
Mama, why is Papa calling me like that?
I'm not the one that called you. Is it not your father that called you? Your father is here now. Ask him why he's calling you. Ah.
Leave that phone in your hand and listen to me. I want to inform you and your mother that the prince, your cousin, will be coming back to this community next week.
Eh?
Yes.
Huh? Which next week?
That next week.
As in, next week in Ka? Nabia.
No, that's a good news. It's a good news.
You are now resuming as the chief special aide to the prince of this kingdom.
So, Papa, wait a minute. So Prince Afamefuna is coming back in next week without informing me. Without getting me informed. Hey. Wait, let me call him.
Call who? You don't even have a call card to call somebody who is in Obete market. Not to talk of somebody who is in Australia. Let me call him. Call him now.
It's alright, Mama. I will WhatsApp him and give him a video call. Or better still, chat him on Facebook. Or call and call.
Chidozie, listen to me. I want to sound this as a warning. If the prince tell any complaint against you, I will make sure you lose your job in that palace.
Nah, that is not fair now. Eh? Why would you say a thing like that? Chidozie, is he not your son? Chidozie is your son now. Eh?
Mama, I don't know why you are here disturbing yourself. Papa, that I know will not do it. He is only here warning you. Let me tell you. Papa, leave everything to me. By the time you will see your son in action, you will run away from this village for me. Bet me. Bet me.
The child again. Your father will run away from. Then Oba Fize again was there.
What is it?
Fool. What do we call this? Good. Thank you, Mr. Teresa Tawamono. Thank you, Mr. Teresa Tawamono. What do we call this? Good boy. Good boy. I hope you all are aware that Prince Afamefuna will soon be returning to this kingdom. Yes. Very good. And I want you all to know that I am the special advisor and personal heir to the soon coming king of this kingdom. Oh, if I see any of you misbehaving, trespassing, shining your teeth to the king or to the prince, you will be in trouble. As a matter of fact, I am the only one permitted and allowed to talk to the prince of this kingdom. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Do you all understand?
Yes.
And listen up. Whoever that is not here, do me a favor by passing the message across to the person. Is that clear? Yes. Is that clear? Yes. Clear? Yes. Aha. Abomma. Yes. You all may now return to your duty post. Quickly!
Africa, beautiful place. Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah.
You called me.
Oh. You shouldn't be calling me by my name. I am the special advisor and personal heir to the prince of this kingdom. Call me with dignity. Show some respect.
All right, I'm sorry.
Forgiven. Abomma, follow me to my room.
Eh? For what?
Yeah, to scratch my back and to help me bust my pimples. From there, any other thing can follow.
I've always respected you in this palace. I don't want to lose my respect for you. How can you ask me to follow you to your room to scratch your back and bust your pimples? As in what?
Aboma, do you realize that you are talking to the personal advisor and personal heir to the prince of this kingdom? Eh? Do you?
Excuse me, don't have anything to say.
Thank this at home? Abuma, you walked out on me. How dare you? That's an insult to my personality. You don't do that. You don't do that to the chief of staff, to the special advisor to the prince.
Every man's choice. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love.
Hey, mother!
Oh, my pretty princess. I missed you so much. You're welcome, my
Thanks,
dear.
Mommy. Thank
How was
you.
your flight?
Oh, my flight was smooth. I slept all throughout knowing that my brother is coming back.
That's my goal.
How are you, Mom?
I'm good.
Oh, I missed you.
I missed you.
Where's Chidozie?
You must be around, my princess.
Okay, and how are you?
I'm fine, my princess.
Good. So, Mom, where's father?
Oh, he went to see the commissioner for interior. He'll soon be back.
Okay, I guess the preparation, I guess.
You should
Oh,
know.
no.
Let's go inside and just know. I want to know everything.
You need to know everything, Mom.
Everything.
Sorry, Mom. So, what did you prepare?
A lot. A lot. I made your favorite.
Thank you, Mom. So, Mother, how were you able to convince Afam to come back?
You know your father with his cunning ways. I only did the talking.
I trust you.
But your brother with his strong will.
I know.
He's gonna come. That's for sure.
Well, I am so excited. Like, he's coming back. I will make sure he enjoys his stay over here. Yeah.
Your father is also planning a welcome party for him.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
Oh my.
And you know tradition. Yeah. He's to choose a woman of his choice.
Oh, well, I trust his choices. I mean, he's a cute guy, so he won't settle for less.
I just hope he will make a good choice.
He will.
Wow.
Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I'm so happy to be home. I missed you, Mom.
I really missed you.
Miss your advice, your talk.
She's a blessing in disguise. When you look deeply, you will know. It's written all over her. Oh, her price is more than ruby. She's a vicious woman, a wife material. She's a vicious woman, searching for true love. But she said, I don't want classic in fashion. Not at all. What I want is love. True love. Love.
Thank God the princess is back in the palace. If Chidote tries to molest us again, we will report him to the princess. Chief of staff, my food.
Did you know he threatened to terminate my job in this palace?
But why?
He asked me to follow him to his room and scratch his back, then bust his bimple. Other things could follow. Imagine.
Did you follow him?
Did you follow him?
God forbid, I shunned him and he threatened to sack me.
So you mean he opened his mouth to say all of that to you? That dossier must be mad. Yes, he has gone insane. So you mean he wants to sleep with all the maidens in this palace, including the whole village? Dozie, you must be mad. Yes, you are mad. My God.
up now. I've gotten the water.
Sister, how are we going to cope? No, tell me, how are we going to cope in this hotel? Eh? We don't know anybody, we don't know our way, nothing like...
Abigail, can you just calm down? I've told you to stop complaining. We'll definitely get help somewhere. All we need to do is just continue this journey until we find a resting place. Eh? You've been complaining since. Just take it easy. Enugo?
I've heard you. Eh? I've heard you. I've always been hearing you.
Abigail, I said it's okay. It's okay. We will find somewhere. Did you hear me? Just come and pack up the bag so that we can leave.
So we are leaving here too?
Do you want us to continue somebody's shop? You want us to continue staying here? Eh? Abigail, please. Come and pack up the bags. Oh? Can you just come?
Africa, beautiful place. Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah. This is Africa.
Are you still like this?
My king, this is not the plan.
My queen, free your mind. Everything will be fine. I am as worried like you do. Please. I must tell you, everyone deserves a chance to do what he or she feels or whatever he or she wants. Time has passed when we decide for our children what they want to become or what they will be. Please, let them go out there and decide what they want to become.
But my king...
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go inside so you can rest your head. It's okay. Let's go in.
My daughter, I'm sorry for the loss of your parents. I heard everything you told me. At this moment, just relax yourself, okay? Believe in yourself. You and your sister will be fine. For her education, it's a sure thing. I'll help. Yes.
Madam, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. God will bless you. Thank you very much. Everything you have asked from God, He will provide for you. Thank you so much. So thank you.
Just stand up.
No, it's okay. Let me just stay here. Thank you.
It's okay, my daughter. What will I gain if I don't help you? You're just like a daughter
to me. Knowing too well I have a daughter out there like you, I'll show her.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, just get up.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ma. Stand.
Thank you. Thank you, Ma.
Sister, how could you stoop so low to accept such a decision? Who does that? How could you?
My sister, the king is so much in support of this mission. I have tried to make him say reasons, but no, he wouldn't accept at all.
This is a royal house, for God's sake. Not every decision should be granted. I mean, this is unbelievable. I don't even know what to think again.
I really don't know what to think either. Honestly, I really don't know what to do.
I understand my son. You see, as soon as you arrive at the palace, you are selecting a wife for yourself. In fact, you are picking a wife for yourself. Yes. Don't worry, don't worry. I know your spec. For those of you that live abroad, I know the kind of woman that you need. Yes. Okay, wait. Let me bust your bubble. In the lineup, you have the daughter of Minister of Finance. Yes, Kemi Ajayi. Can you beat that? Then the daughter of Igwe Chima Akabaonu Orizu II. Yes. Wait, you know Anita? Yes, your sister's friend. The commissioner of road and transport's daughter. She's also in the lineup. And many others. I told you. Oh yes. Come on, don't bother yourself. We've planned for all that. Yes, we are welcoming you with the lion's outfit. Yes, because you are grown up enough to partake in that ceremony now. Yes. Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry. Your sister is already in the palace. Yes. No, don't worry about that one. As soon as you come, I'm going to reinstate him. Dr. Alfred will resume his work, okay? Aha. Yes. Look, I am so happy. I'm overjoyed that you are coming home. It's all right. I will tell your mom, okay? I will. All right, safe journey as you come, man. Safe journey. Bye.
Your Majesty.
Tomorrow is a special day for me.
Yes, my king.
I will need all my cabinet members to dress colorfully as we await my son at the village square.
Consider it done, my king. It shall be done.
Good.
May you live long, Your Majesty.
Chidozie,
Your Majesty.
how is your preparation going? Are you lacking anything?
Oh, not at all, Your Majesty. As a matter of fact, I have arranged for the Ibandieze. I have also arranged for the trumpeters that will follow the convoy tomorrow. I mean, that will follow your prince tomorrow.
My prince? So it's not your prince?
No, I mean our prince.
Anyway, what of the village women dancers?
I have also informed their leader. Your Majesty.
Yes.
Should I also inform the chief of Okada riders? Very important.
Chidozie, what do you mean by that?
My princess, what I tried saying is that if I should invite those boys that drive James Bond on the road. You see, let me tell you, those boys, they will stand on the bike and wide their hands like this. Saho perhaps like Sahara Savannah. And the bike will be driving itself.
No. Dozier.
My queen.
We don't need them. Please. We are not going on a suicide mission, are we? We don't need Okada clan. Please, I beg you.
Okay. But my queen, you see those boys, they can display very well.
Chidozie.
My queen.
I said enough. What? Enough.
Chidozie.
Yes, Papa.
You had a queen. Don't invite area boys and Okada riders.
Okay, Papa.
We don't want people that ride James Bond, please.
Chidozie. It's all right. You may leave it.
Okay, my queen. Okay.
So, you're welcome back to my father's palace.
Thank you. So, how is my king and the queen?
Oh, well, my parents, they are fine, thank you. And how about your parents?
They are fine.
Ooh.
You know, we just returned from London.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yeah, just a few days ago.
You're welcome back to the country.
Oh, yeah, thank you. You know, I am so excited about the prince's return.
Yes, so am I. You know, I can't wait to see my brother once again.
I know that feeling. I do.
And why are you blushing?
Excuse me, what's that?
Don't worry, I already know. I know you've been crushing my brother all this while. Don't worry yourself, relax. Tomorrow is around the corner, okay? You get to see him.
Thank you. At least I'll finally get to meet him. Like I've wanted that.
It's nothing that way.
I know.
I'm so sorry, pardon my manners. I was just excited to see you again. What do I offer you?
What you offer me is champagne or any wine that's as beautiful as I am.
Champagne at this time? It's too hard to have champagne. Why not do orange juice?
No. Okay, fine. Just for today, orange juice.
All right, it's fine. Excuse me.
All right.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
Good. Good. Bomma, come. Aboma.
Yes.
Why have you refused to give me my rights in this palace? Why?
And what do you mean by that?
Oh, have you forgotten that I am the special advisor and special aide to the soon coming prince of this kingdom?
I recognize the office very well.
So why have you refused to sleep with me so that I don't sack you as the special advisor?
That will be over my dead body.
Huh? What did you say?
Over my dead body.
Okay. Quickly. Okay. To your duty post, quickly. Be fast about it. Okay. That's good. Did you say over your dead body? Then prepare your dead body to leave this palace. See, why are you not cooperating with me? Why? Just look at other maidens. This small thing. Eh? To get promoted from cleaner to cook. And you are here standing before me telling me over your dead body. No. Okay. Just take a look at Olochi and the rest. They are cooperating. Dancing to my tune. They do what I want. Eh? You are here tightening this thing like a gearbox. See, don't forget what I told you, eh? Always have your eyes on the princess. Eh? Have your eyes on the princess. If you suspect anything, tell me. Let me tackle it once and for all. Okay? Aha, okay. Aha. Back to what I was saying before. This small thing, just to secure your job and get promoted from cleaner to cook. And you are here standing before me telling me over your dead body. Just take a look at Olochi and the rest. They are cooperating with me. Doing what I want them to do. Dancing to my tune. And here you are.
But I'm not Olochi or other maidens. I'm a bomber. And please, if you don't have any other thing to say, excuse me.
Thank you, Mr. Teresa Tawamono. Look at this girl. This girl is here joking with her job. Don't worry. You will soon see your sack letter. Then your eye go clear. I know what to do.
This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage. My mother's land.
Father, mother, you all know how much I love Anita. You all know how much I love her to be part of this family. She's well educated and from a classy home too. Let's just make her my brother's wife.
Anita, is she not the daughter of the Commissioner for Road and Transport in the state?
Yes, Dad.
We all know her. Unfortunately, it is the prerogative of your brother to choose whoever he wants to marry. Huh? And as a matter of fact, there are several high-class girls that are in the lineup tomorrow. You know, the daughters of my prominent friends. Huh? So why are you worrying yourself over this?
Dad, Mom, there'll be no need for bringing other village maidens and classy girls to parade themselves before my brother to make a choice. I mean, we should get him married to Anita. Anita is very beautiful, educated, and from a classy home. Please.
Come on. My angel, you don't need to stress this. See, I think you should let your brother pick whoever he wants to marry. I am wishing your best friend good luck. Yes, and every other maiden out there, both, you know, rich and young, whom their fathers or your father's friends.
Of course.
Let him make his choice. Live with it. Because this is who he is going to spend the rest of his life with.
Yeah, Mama, but then we are friends with Anita. I mean, she's my childhood friend. We've known her very well, so she's comfortable.
Is your brother comfortable?
Yeah, he should. She's
No, you don't say that. Allow your brother to pick. Let him make his choice and live with it.
I don't know why you're worrying yourself about this, my dear.
Papa.
Relax.
Okay, let me ask you. Is your brother going to choose who you will spend the rest of your lives with?
Oh yes, I sent for you. My son, the prince, Afamefula, the lion heart of Amanato Kingdom, will be coming tomorrow.
My king, the prince will be coming home tomorrow.
Oh yes, he will be coming tomorrow. Ha! I need you to call the meeting of the elders, inform all of them, send the town crier out. Let him announce to everybody in my kingdom, the maidens, the women, everybody, to come and welcome my son. His special coronation will take place tomorrow. And you know it's a special ceremony. All right? I am so happy that my son is coming home.
Hey! Finally, it has happened.
Oh, yes.
My king. Indeed, it's going to be a great day for this kingdom. The people of this kingdom will rejoice. The lion heart is coming back.
You can say that again.
My king, your message will be delivered efficiently.
Good.
So Prince Afamefuna is finally coming back.
He's coming.
Gods of our land will greet you.
You can go.
I will take my leave, my king. It's okay, my king.
Beautiful place, Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people, what a beautiful place, yeah.
I can see you are now very happy, my prince.
Oh yes, I'm very happy. I have missed this environment for so long. You know, I love nature. Chido's here.
My prince.
You know that our culture and tradition as Africans is quite unique. Our heritage is everything. Our heritage is beautiful. Our heritage is one in a million. Africa, my Africa. It's always good to be back. Africa is unique. Africa is number one.
You can say that again.
It's good to be home. I can't wait to see my people.
Oh yes.
Oh my goodness, I have missed everyone.
We are almost there.
I can't wait to hug my father. How far off are we?
Almost there.
Almost.
Almost.
Almost. Woo!
Prince is here. Our prince is here. You are welcome home. You are welcome home. Our prince is back.
Father.
My son. Today is your day. The day for you to claim your inheritance.
Thank you, Father.
The day for you to fulfill the obligations of our forefathers. This ceremony has been on from generation to generation. And it is your turn, my son. Can I have that?
This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage.
Now, remove your cap.
Our culture and tradition, they are unique. Our culture and tradition are unique.
I don't want to cover this.
It's fine. It's fine. That's how we work.
My son.
It's amazing.
This is a symbol of respect. That shows how brave you have become. You are the lion heart of this great kingdom, Amanato Kingdom. You are the representative, the ambassador of this kingdom.
Thank you, Father.
The prospect and future of this kingdom lie in your hands.
Thank you, Father.
Have rest, my son.
You
Thank you, are the true son of your father.
Thank you, Dad.
Rise, my son.
Thank you very much, Father. Dad, if I may ask, why is this procession going on here?
That is how it has been from the days of our forefathers. It has always been done at the village square. You are the son, the prince to the kingdom. Today is your day. It's a special day for you, and indeed, the entire kingdom. My son.
Father.
The guests are waiting at the palace.
Is that so?
Yes. Prominent men in the society. Yes. Son, ride your horse. It's for you.
Tradition.
Thank you so much, Father, for a grand reception. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Libai, Kwenu. Hey. Amanato, Kwenu. Hey. Libai, Kwenu. My heart is full of joy. Thank you all, my elders. Thank you, my people of Amanato. Thank you for taking time to be here today to welcome me. Thank you. I pray that the gods of our ancestors continues to bless you. My father has ruled this kingdom with a very wonderful legacy. And that legacy I will continue to uphold when my time comes as a king of Amanato. Thank you all once again.
Thank you.
Thank you. As we all proceed to the grand reception as prepared by the king. Am I right, Father?
Very correct.
You are welcome home. You are welcome home.
I greet you all. Today is indeed a great day. As a matter of fact, it is one of my happiest days in life. And the reason for that is not far-fetched. We are here to welcome my son, the Prince Afamefula, the singular heir to my throne, the lion heart of Amanato Kingdom. My son.
Father.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Father.
You're so welcome.